Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. In today's video we'll be seeing how to create a date table in Power BI. So let's get started. Date table is one of the most important whenever we use any case business whenever we work in with any real-time business case scenario or any data set. Date column always plays an important role. You see, whether it is a business case scenario, whether it is a customer segmentation, whether it is a sentiment analysis, social media analytics, anything, date column always matters. So for that, we need to understand how to create a date column. You see, in some data sets, there's a predefined start date and end date in the column, or a date column is already been ready. Okay, but what if there is no date column and you need to create insights using the date column? So what to do next? So here today I'm going to show how we can create a date table using the Power Query DAX function. Okay, so what exactly we will do here? So we don't have a date column, but we need a date column. Okay, so what we will do is we will create a table. Okay, we will just go click sheet 1 and we will add a new table, and the table 1 we will be adding a DAX query. So we'll rename the column as the date, and then we will be creating a table that is, we will, for the date table we will be using a function named calendar. Okay, calendar function is basically a function that is being used for generating the date table. It's very important for creating a date table. And as you can see, the calendar table, we have two parameters, that's the start date and the end date. Okay, so we have to add the start date and end date here. Okay, so as we don't have a start date and end date, so what exactly we'll do, we will manually add the start date. But for manually adding the start date, just we have to add a date function for that, because obviously it's a date, so we have to add, otherwise it will be in the general format. So we'll be add as date, and as you can see in the date function we have three parameters: year, month and day. Okay, so we'll be adding 2022 comma, we'll be adding the month as 01 comma and the day as 01 and bracket close. You see, the bracket is very important, parenthesis we need to close it, and then we will add the comma. So the start date is been added. So now we will, the same format, we will be adding the end date, that is the date function bracket 2023 comma 12 Wednesday 12 comma 31 bracket close. We need to close one more bracket because on the start date we end the start of the parenthesis, and now our calendar date function is ready. So now we will click on enter. So here our date function is ready, our date table is ready. Actually our function calendar function we use, our date table is been ready, but it is in the date and time format. Okay, so what we need a proper date. So what exactly we will do, we will change the data type of the column, the date table, date column that we have created. Okay, so we'll click on the date column, and then we will change the data type from date time to date. So as you can see, our date table is in ready with the date column. Now you can easily make a relationship with the other table and use the date table as well as is up to you to derive the insights on the date. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you have understand how to create a date table in Power BI query. Okay, so if you have any queries, then please comment me. I will solve that issue in my next video. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And till then, happy learning.